Hey, this is Megan Bird with Kelly Day Portraits, and today I'm going to tell you 5 different ways on how you can use concealer. So the first step is that you can put it for your under eye circles, and that helps brighten the under eye. The second technique to use concealer is for highlighting. So you can use concealer all over to highlight the points of your face. So you can do a triangle and color that in and then blend it, and so you get even all of this area brighter. You can do the bridge of the nose and also on the chin. The third thing that you can do with concealer is you can use it for an eye primer. I do this all the time with my eyeshadows. I just get the concealer and put it on my eyelids, and it brightens up that eye so that you can have a brighter color for your eyeshadow to show. Now for the fourth thing that you can do with concealer, but with this concealer you would have to match the color with your foundation, and you can go in with a concealer that's the color of your foundation for your pimples, and so this way you don't have a bright dot where your acne is. You would have fuller coverage with that same skin tone. And then last, for the fifth thing that you can do for concealer is you can use it to clean up things. So for your eyebrows, if you go in and you want to make them sharper, you can go in on the edges and clean it up, or your lipstick, or even if you have any mascara smudges, you can go in and clean that up. Alrighty, those are the 5 things that you can do for using concealer. If you have any further questions, how to use concealer, if you want to show me how exactly to highlight with concealer, I can definitely do that. But other than that, make sure you give a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.